Welcome, folks. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of computer science, Python, and algorithms. I'm about to unveil the top 5 beginner-friendly computer science algorithms that will take you from the basics to the core of advanced coding. By the end of the video, you will get acquainted with data types, variables, if-while for statements, functions, arrays, lists, and more. In 5th place, we have Euclid's greatest common divisor algorithm, a gem from the mind of the father of geometry. Brace yourself for a journey through integers, variables, user-defined functions, if-else statements, recursion, and Python's built-in wonders like print, input, and return. Testing it out with 10, 24, and 16. Behold, the GCD is indeed 16. Moving on to 4th place, we explore the Babylonian iterative algorithm, the secret sauce behind your calculator's square root magic. Craft your own function with parameters, employ if and while statements, and let it dance with float numbers. Testing it with 12.25, it delivers the anticipated 3.5. Snagging the 3rd spot, we unravel the sort and merge algorithm, a handy tool for classifying data. Suppose we have like 38, 27, 43, 3, 9, 82, 10. It will split all number order into 2 halves, then again and again, until we are left with single numbers. It restores number order, but from least to most or otherwise, if you want to, devoid of any mess. Watch as it elegantly splits, merges, and restores order, unveiling the mysteries of arrays, lists, sophisticated functions, loops, and increments. Testing it with 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 98, 6, 5, and 4 produces a neatly sorted sequence. Securing the 2nd place, we present a slightly advanced sibling, the binary search algorithm. Enter any number sequence, and the algorithm identifies left, mid-right values, and compares mid-value to the number you want to find. It eliminates right or left half and follows this order recursively. A maestro in data manipulation, it scours through arrays, refining your knowledge with left, mid, and right values, introducing the power of for loops. Testing it with 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, we find our sought-after 5 at index 1. Note that in programming, indexes start with 0. And now, the grand finale, the 1st place, the realm of matrix operations. Get ready to delve into the world of NumPy, importing its prowess to sum, subtract, and multiply matrices. This is where calculus, statistics, 3D and 2D visualization, image processing, and intelligent systems converge. Don't forget to install NumPy with pip install NumPy right into your terminal. Matrix operations are the beating heart of numerous fields. I'll drop all the Python code for these algorithms in the description below. Master these, and you'll breeze through basic Python coding. Challenge yourself by translating these algorithms into other programming languages. Happy coding, and I'll catch you in the next one.